In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin your footer on Wix Studio. This is particularly useful if your footer contains specific functions or information that you want to keep accessible to your visitors at all times, even when they scroll down your page. Whether it's contact information, a navigation menu, or any other crucial element, pinning your footer can enhance the functionality and usability of your website. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open the Wix Studio and navigate to the specific site where you wish to pin your footer. This should be the site that contains the footer functionalities you're interested in making always visible. Once there, look towards the bottom of your site. You should see the footer section clearly marked, typically at the very end of your page layout. Click directly on the footer. Doing this will bring up the Inspector tab, which you can find on the right-hand side of your screen. The Inspector tab is your control center here. It's where you can make various adjustments to elements on your page, including position, size, and much more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this panel, as it can be quite helpful. Within the Inspector tab, scroll down to locate the Position section at the bottom. This is the key area where you'll make the magic happen. You'll notice an option labeled Position Type. By default, it might be set to a static or relative position. What we want to do here is change this to pinned. Once you've selected pinned, this effectively locks your footer in place. The footer will now stay fixed at this visible location, even when users scroll through your pages. This is a great feature for ensuring essential information is always at guests' fingertips. Now, with that all set, it's time to test it out. Preview the site by using the preview button provided by Wix, or simply load your website as if you were a visitor. As you scroll down, watch the footer. You should see that it remains steadfastly in place, visible at all times, regardless of how far you scroll. This change should make navigating your website easier, as the pinned footer provides quick access to whatever actions are deemed essential, like navigation links or contact details. And there you have it. Your footer is now pinned in Wix Studio. By following these simple steps, you've improved your website's user experience by keeping important information readily accessible. Make sure to review other customizability options Wix offers to further enhance your site's effectiveness and design. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.